Hello children, good morning. How are you all doing? I'm sure you all must be doing great as always. You all must have had lot of fun during your summer break, and I'm sure you all would have finished your homework also. Kids, we have done a lot of work before our summer break, and from now onwards we shall be starting our classes regularly. And I am Monisha ma'am. I welcome you all in the EVS class. So let's get started. Let us first revise the topics what we did before our summer break. Children, we had finished first 3 chapters: myself, my body and health is wealth. I am sure you all must have done the revision of all these concepts. And today we will be starting a new chapter in EVS, which is chapter number 4, family. So let's learn together about my family. But before we start the new chapter, let us go through a wonderful thought. And today's thought for the day is:
never lose hope. You never know what tomorrow brings. Children, by this we mean that we should always be positive and keep trying, as we do not know what tomorrow has in store for us.
After this beautiful thought for the day, let us start the chapter number 4, which is family. Now kids, what do we understand by the word family? Do you know what is a family? A family is a group of people who are staying together and they are also related to each other. Now, for example, if you see, we all have our families and we stay with them in our homes. In your family, you have your parents, grandparents, brothers and sisters, and few of you all must also be having your cousins. So all of them comprise of your family, and we all love our family and all the members of them, isn't it? Children, I'm sure you all must have understood what is a family. We will be studying about this topic in detail in our coming classes. But in today's class, we will be doing page number 19 of chapter number 4 from our textbook of EVS. So now, everyone, just take out page number 19 and start doing it with me. Alright children?
So children, let's start doing page number 19. As you can see, in this page, there is space given to paste photograph of your mother, and in the second box you have to paste your father's photograph. After pasting the photograph of your mother and father, there are few questions which are mentioned below. We only have to fill the blank spaces with the correct answers. So let's start. The first point below your mother's photograph is: my mother's name is. You have to write your mother's name in the blank space given. And below your father's photograph, you will write your father's name. After that, the second point is: my mom and I play. You have to write a game which you like playing with your mom. And similarly, in the second point below your father's photograph, you will write a game which you like playing with your father. Now the third point: my mom and I watch. You all must be watching your favorite TV shows with your mom and your dad. So in the third point, you have to mention what you like watching with your mother and then you have to write what you love watching with your father. After that, there must be many things in which your mother and father help you. You have to mention first in what your mom helps you, and after that in what your father helps you. And after that, the last point is I love my mom, and similarly you have to write that I love my father, because we all love our parents as they help us in doing so much and they love us a lot. Now children, as you can see on the screen, I have shared a sample on how to complete page number 19. You can take the help of your parents to complete this page, and do share your work with us.
Children, I am sure you all must have enjoyed today's class. I had a wonderful time teaching all of you. So, that's all for today's class. And for our next class, we have a very interesting activity planned for you. But for that activity, you have to keep few things ready in advance. And the things are, you have to keep few ice cream sticks, pencil, eraser and your colors. Kids, if you do not have ice cream sticks, please don't worry at all. You can also draw and complete the activity. So till we meet next time, stay home, stay safe and happy learning.